We don't have any of those in the New York Army National Guard, so I wouldn't be able to tell you. If you go reserve, you have way more flexibility. If you're going guard, it's going to be restricted to your state. That's one of the cons to being guard, because you don't have that flexibility. It's going to be limited to what's in your state or the neighboring state if it's within a reasonable travel distance. But reserve, you can go anywhere in the nation. They'll give you up to $500 while funding is still there to use for travel expenses. But anything beyond those $500 comes out of your pocket, and that's like an extra day and a half of traveling in addition to your Joe weekends. So I don't know what you got going in your life, but if you watch my video, I go into a little bit more detail depending on your mindset, work ethic, and what you find important to you and all that good stuff. It may be a pro, it may be a con. So that's up to you. But you might want to go reserve. But if you go active duty, the sky's the limit. As long as you're as good as, like, if you could be your best and it's better than everyone else, like, you drive the train for promotion. Your attitude, your work ethic, your image, right? How your uniform looks. Do you iron it? Do you starch it? Do you have clean boots? Is your hair on point all the time? Is your nails on point? Right? Your work ethic, getting stuff done. Are you reliable, dependable? You show up on time? Do you do things outside of your MOS? Do you do like civilian education, so on and so forth? All these things are going to play a role in your promotion ability. But if you come in and you're a mediocre person, you're going to get mediocre results and you're not going to go far. So you drive the train 99% of the time.
Be a mini me. All these just wanna be a mini me. All these just wanna be a mini me. Feeling me.